Right, we need to go.
Is that on? Is that on?
No.
There we go then.
We're turning left up here, I think. This one. Whoa!
Holy shit! You good?
Yeah. Yeah. This one. Whoa!
Holy shit! You good?
Yeah. Yeah.
You alright?
Yeah.
Will you get down on?
Is the bike fine?
Get your bike fine. You know, you keep falling. Are you alright?
Sit down. Where's your phone?
Your bike's fine, don't worry about
It's
it.
somewhere over there.
You want me to call? Your bike's fine.
You good?
Yeah.
What happened? Hugging that car, bro.
It's difficult to get out when you're hugging there like that.
Yeah, my leg's fine. Yeah.
Once you get into that, you can't get out of it.
Bro. You sure you're blessed, yeah?
Yeah, I'm good.
What's up? You snapped off?
You were hugging that for at least fucking...
It's like I looked behind me to see where everyone else was and I just lost it. Plastics are fine.
Light off.
I know.
Yeah, went into the curb.
Have you?
Yeah.
Oh!
And we went over the flexibility. Yeah, down there, but went through.
You got a phone taking it.
Yeah, thank you.
Right, so you watch with a limp because of one of those.
Broke every bone in your right leg. But do take
fun.
it seriously.
Yeah,
They're great fun, there's nothing like them.
Until you're in the ditch.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Yeah. We're just. I just hurt my foot a bit, so I'm just waiting to see who's coming. But we're fine here. Yeah. Yeah. We're gonna move all the bikes onto here in a sec, and then yeah. Yeah, thank you. You know, ain't no little crash gonna stop us out here. I've got an injured foot, but I'm alive and I'm well. That's no point about it. Ding, ding, ding. Yo, thanks for watching, guys. Please make sure you like, comment and subscribe. And this has been your boy Isaac Blue, coming with more motor videos, two-wheeled everything coming your way. So make sure you subscribe, turn post notifications on, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Shit.